The men who actually see values in women outside of the bedroom, the men who actually think women have a purpose to serve in their life, are often unable to stop their daydreams at "I just want to hit it." And that's the difference. If a man can compartmentalize what a woman's purpose is in his life, he won't do this. But a man who hasn't compartmentalized, a man who has really gone aimlessly into his daydreams and into the depths of his mind, who hasn't put you in any boxes, will often think about you so much and so long that he's lost track of the sexual aspect of it, and he's picked up more of the friendship fantasy. If it helps, think about the daydreams and fantasies and images in your mind that you have when you like a guy. It doesn't just stop in the bedroom. You're imagining car rides and arguments and hand holding. You're imagining vacations with each other and day-to-day scenarios. You're imagining going through issues together and supporting each other. You've built a whole world. Almost like an author builds a world around his characters. You've built a whole fantasy world around the idea of you two in a relationship. While guys process things a little bit differently, it's still about the same. It's just the shit that he likes to do. He might imagine taking you to a game or hanging out with you at a bar or showing you off to his friends or just staying in on a Saturday and being with you. Obviously there's sex there. That image is going to be there. But also after the sex, he might think about the conversation you have with each other. He'd imagine your response to his questions, to his answers. He'd imagine your response to certain situations. Because just like women have to imagine and visualize and see themselves with a guy, men have to do the same. And it can't just stop at a sexual daydream or a sexual memory.